Welcome to John Lewis 3D Learning. In this Fun Maths Mathemagic series, what we are going to see today is a multiplication of a two-digit number by another two-digit number mentally in just 5 seconds. So 94 multiplied by 86. Can you give the answer straight away in single line without writing the intermediate steps? Yes, it can be done, but we should know the secret. So what is the answer for this? 8084. If you want, you can verify by using your calculator or by digit sum method, which I have explained in the same channel, John Lewis 3D Learning, under the name multiplication verification by digit sum method. You can watch that and you can learn that trick also. But here, how to multiply these two numbers mentally to arrive at the answer in single line without writing the intermediate steps. So what's the secret? So this method is called crisscross multiplication method. So what we need to do is, first we need to write the first two digits of the first number, followed by the two digits of the second number just below that number. As usual, normally this is how we write for doing any multiplication. Now, so what is the first step? So this can be done in 3 steps. So any two-digit number can be multiplied by another two-digit number mentally by using 3 different steps. Okay, what is the first step? So in the first step, we need to multiply the first two digits. The second step, we need to cross multiply the two digits as shown in the picture. So this pictorial representation makes it everything very clear. The second digit of the first number is multiplied with the first digit of the second number and vice versa. That is, the second digit of the second number is multiplied with first digit of the first number. So just this pictorial representation is more than enough to understand. So cross multiply, sum them up. After cross multiplying, we get two different products. So you add them together, and along with that, if any carryover is there from step number 1, that also should be added up here. So what's the last step? Leave out these two digits, take only the last two digits, multiply these two digits. Whatever the product you are getting, along with that you add the carryover from step number 2. That's it. These are the 3 steps we need to do mentally. Now let us try to apply these 3 steps in real multiplication. So what are the two numbers we have taken initially? 94 into 86. So what is the first step? So in the first step we need to multiply the first two digits. 4 6 are 24. So put down this 4 and the carryover is 2. Don't write it down. The carryover you should try to remember it. Only then you can improve your short-term memory. Don't put down everything on paper. So here 4 6 are 24. So we have put down this 4 and the carryover is 2. Remember it. Now in the second step, in step 2, we have to cross multiply and add. 9 6 are 54 and 8 4s are 32. So 54 plus 32 is how much? 86. And what was the carryover in the previous step? 2. So 86 plus 2 is 88. Now 8 we have put down here and the carryover is 8. That you remember, 8. Now what is the third step? Third and the last step. Only multiply only the last two digits. 9 8s are 72. And what was the carryover in the second step? Was 8. Therefore 72 plus 8 is equal to 80. So therefore 8084 is the answer. Again, if you want to verify, you can use your calculator to verify it, or you can use the digit sum method, which I have explained in the same John Lewis 3D Learning channel under the name verification of multiplication by digit sum method. So you can use any one of them to verify this answer. Hope you liked it, you enjoyed it. You can try out with the different two-digit numbers and you can verify the answer very quickly also by digit sum method. Hope you like it. If you like it, please click the thumbs up button, share it with your friends, and without fail, you subscribe to my channel if at all you have not subscribed it already. Thank you very much for watching. Until we meet next time with another interesting topic. Bye bye.